In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset the Google AI Studios password. If you forgot the password of your Google AI Studios and you're now trying to recover and create a new password, in today's video, let me show you how. Now, for those of you who don't know, there is no separate section where you need to log in or create a password of Google AI Studios. As long as you have a Google account, you'll be automatically logged in. So in order for you to change or reset the password of your Google AI Studios, you'll need to reset the password of your entire Google account. To reset the password of your entire Google account, make sure you first of all log out of your account and then head over to the login section. Type in the email address or your Google account or your Gmail of which you're trying to reset the password of. Once you type in the email address, click on Next. Once you click on Next, you'll see this section which says Forgot Password. Click on the Forgot Password link and then click on Continue. Now what you need to do is make sure you turn on the Bluetooth by clicking on Turn on Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth will be now turned on your laptop. The second thing that you now need to do, scan this QR code using the phone. Once you scan this QR code, you can now connect your phone and your laptop so that you can log in and reset the password of your Google account. Once the devices are now connected, you'll see the screen. And once you confirm it on your phone, you'll be taken to the section where you can now create your password. Click on the Update Password link. And this is the section where you can now create a new password for your Google account. Type in the new password that you like and then confirm it on the second section. Once you type in and fill in both of these boxes, you can now click on Save Password. And there you go, your password now has been successfully changed, meaning you can now straight away head over to Google AI Studios and then open up this link and then you will be immediately logged in. So this is the entire process of resetting the password of your Google account or your Google AI Studios account. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.